Hello friends and respected teachers of Gyaniketan. I am Anand Vaibhav from class 8F and I am going to speak about water. Water a vital resource. The definition of water is: the water is a colorless, odorless and insipid substance. Only distilled water is pure. Water is also called renewable resource. Water is also called renewable resource because it evaporates out of the ocean to the clouds, which generates rain falling on the land. The water then runs into rivers and dams where it is used, and the waste is partially cleaned before it makes its route to the sea, where the cycle begins again. Some importance of water are: water banish headaches, improve our mood, relieve fatigue, that means tiredness, boost our energy levels, relieve constipation, flush out toxins, improve digestion, promote weight loss, prevent kidney stones, boost our immune system, improve our complexion, prevent hangovers, alleviate back pain, regulate body temperature. Water is a very precious for us because there is a fixed amount of water on the planet. It evaporates out of the oceans into clouds which produce rain falling on the land. The water then runs into rivers and dams where it is used for agriculture, industrial and domestic use. The waste is cleaned or partially cleaned and makes it the way to sea, where the cycle begins again. If the rain keeps on falling in the catchment areas, then we won't run out. Something more about water is that up to 60% of human body is water. Without food, human beings can survive for many days. But water is such an essential element that without water, human being can't survive for many days. The drinking water should be totally clean, pure, and free of any diseases causing microbes, and that's why it should be properly treated and disinfected before using it for drinking purpose. And one thing more, that 3 by 4 of Earth has water, so Earth is also called blue planet. So this is for all. Thank you.